Hi folks, welcome to another Python short. This is a short Python tutorial covering and or. So these are most commonly seen while we're talking about if statements or some kind of a loop or conditional operation. So what we're going to do to show how this works, we're going to say x equals 1, y equals 2, and then we're going to say if x, and remember it has to be double equals 1, and y double equals 2, then z equals 1, else z equals 2. So if we print z, what we should see is that since x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2, it's going to set z equal to 1. See, our output was a 1. Now if we change one of these to a 3, see with an AND statement, both of these items need to be correct in order for that output to execute. Otherwise it's going to go to the next one, which is our else statement. So in this example, now since x is equal to 1 but y is not equal to 3, this should skip, because this is not going to hit. So it's going to go to this else, and it's going to say z equals 2. See, there's our 2. With an OR statement, however, only one of the two conditions needs to be met. So now, since x is equal to 1, it doesn't matter if y is equal to 2 or not. It should execute this top step. We're going to have a hit right here on this if statement. It's going to set z equal to 1. See, there's our 1. So the main takeaway here is if you need either condition to be met, you put an OR statement, and if you need both statements to be met, put an AND statement. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thanks for watching. If you like, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Either way, I hope you have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.